The length of fish in a fish farm are normally distributed with a mean of 40 centimeters and a standard deviation of 5 centimeters. If I catch 10 fish, what is the 90% confidence interval for the mean length of my fish? So mean length of 10 fish. So we're using sample, and Sx is going to be 5 over root 10. Remember, this is always sigma over root n, where n is the number in the sample. So for a 90% confidence interval, we can do 40, take away 1.645, and we've looked at where that value comes from. It's the number of standard deviations we need to go below the mean. And our standard deviation here is going to be 5 over root 10. And then we'll have 40 plus 1.645. So we need to go 1.645 standard deviations above the mean times 5 over root 10. So we can calculate that. So let's just bring in the calculator and go to main, and we'll do 40 take away 1.645 times, and then we want 5 over root 10, and that gives me 37 point, let's call it 37.4, just go to one decimal place, and then we'd like that also with a plus, and that's 42.6. So now we're going for 95% confidence interval. Now I'm just going to do this one on the calculator. So let's go to statistics, interval, variable, interval 1 sample, yep. So confidence level 0.95, we need to put it in as a decimal. Our sigma is 5, our mean is 40, and this time we have 10 in the sample. So that gives us 36.9 and 43.1. Let's just go back on that one, and let's just change that to just simply 0.9 and see if we get the same as this. And here we go, 37.4 and 42.6. So all we need to do to get our 99% is go back and change that to 0.99, and it's 35.9 and 44.1.